Before we dive in, take a moment to subscribe to our channel. You'll get the latest updates on Canadian immigration, PR pathways, and more from a regulated Canadian immigration consultant's perspective. Now, let's get started. Today's news could reshape how immigration to Canada works. Canada recently enacted Bill C-12, one of the largest immigration reforms in decades. If you plan to apply for Canadian PR, wait for your express entry invitation, or hold a study or work permit, this affects you directly. Let me simplify this for you. On March 26, 2026, Bill C-12 became law, granting the Canadian government enhanced control over immigration applications. The government now has the authority to stop new applications, delay processing times, or even cancel visas and permits. They can also change conditions for those currently in Canada, including work permits, study permits, and even PR applications. And they can do this in bulk. You might wonder, can they use these powers anytime? The answer is no, but the criteria are broad. They can exercise these powers under circumstances such as fraud detection, public health issues, and national security risks. The decision-making process is not simple. The immigration minister proposes an action, which is then reviewed by the cabinet, and officially approved by the Governor-General. This process ensures checks and balances, allowing swift responses when necessary. To maintain accountability, all decisions must be published in the Canada Gazette. The immigration minister must also report to Parliament, and a committee will review these actions after 5 years. There's oversight, but the government's authority has significantly increased. Let's transition to asylum reforms. Under Bill C-12, you cannot apply for asylum if you enter Canada irregularly or apply more than 1 year after arrival. This change is retroactive, affecting claims since June 2025. However, you can still apply for a pre-removal risk assessment. Another major update is regarding data sharing. The government can now share your personal immigration data with other agencies and even foreign entities. This includes your identity and visa details. Although it raises privacy concerns, the government claims it's for security. What does this mean for you? Rest assured, your current application is not automatically impacted, and regular processing continues. However, if significant issues like fraud or security risks are identified, they can pause or cancel applications for entire groups. Let's look at some examples. Imagine Rohit, a student from India. He applies for a post-graduation work permit. If the government detects fraud at his institution, the processing of his application could be paused, causing delays. Now consider Anita, a nurse applying through a provincial healthcare pathway. If there's high demand in healthcare, her application could be expedited or conditions adjusted in response to needs. Lastly, think about Ahmed, who works in Canada on a temporary permit. If there's a public safety concern, his permit could be modified or even cancelled, affecting many. To summarize, Canada has gained stronger control over immigration decisions, meaning applications can now be paused or cancelled in bulk. New asylum restrictions are also in effect, and there's increased data sharing among agencies. While your application is mostly safe, it's now subject to potential wide-reaching decisions. I know this information can be overwhelming. But remember, Canada is not closing its doors. It's fortifying its immigration system. For skilled professionals, students, healthcare workers, and families, opportunities remain. More than ever, ensure your application is accurate and well prepared. If you found this video helpful, like it and share it with anyone planning to apply for Canada PR. Also, subscribe for trusted updates. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll provide assistance, just like a true RCIC. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next update. We, Certified Immigration Consultants, we are here to help. We offer free limited initial consultations tailored just for you on weekends. Email us at info@citisimmigration.com or visit our website to book your consultation now.